trees over the last few days.
Alright.
Yes, did you have a lovely holiday?
Beautiful.
Good.
I need to get her toys down.
Oh.
Hang on.
Right, pair of scissors. Would you like to do the honours? That's it.
If you moan about Mother's Day next year.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Who's what moaned about Mother's
Oh,
Day?
shut up, you girl.
Hello. Oh,
I'll play the door in.
oh, it's gorgeous.
I've got to catch you crying, sorry.
Oh, it's lovely.
Look, it's blue.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's lovely. Hey, look at this, Brian. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, it's lovely.
You can put your bits away. Like, wherever you want.
Yeah, no, I've got to get all new. Oh, I'm going to get new saucepans, new everything. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it, oh?
Yeah. Nice, isn't it? Very nice indeed.
You got a bleeding wine, Mac.
What? Ah, well, I'm going to have a look at something, aren't I?
Oh, it's
Very nice.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
Do you like your new light?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh, yeah. I suppose I'm staying to the outside room for smoking now. I can't accept.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it, eh?
So, do we like it?
Yes.
Hey, look. Got my fan as well.
Oh, crikey.
Right.
Oh.
You, Mum. You're on the kettle.
Down the kettle.
To your left. Oh, sorry, you're on the toaster.
Down the toaster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a switch.
Yeah.
Switch it on.
Oh, that's the fan.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Oh, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
Isn't it?
I've got, where's my